In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ignore auto layout snapping when dragging an object over a design in Figma. Figma, as many of you might know, is a powerful collaborative interface design tool that allows for seamless collaboration and design creation. However, some features like auto layout snapping can sometimes interfere when you're moving objects around, causing unwanted adjustments. Let's dive into the steps to bypass this feature efficiently. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Figma account, so go ahead and open Figma on your browser. If you're not logged in already, locate the Login button on the top right corner of the Figma landing page. Enter your credentials, and once you're in, you'll be directed to the home page of Figma. This is where all your design files and team collaborations are conveniently accessible. Next, you're going to want to head over to your design files. From the home page, find your way to the design section, which might be under your recent files or shared projects, depending on how you have your workspace organized. Clicking on the design section will open up your projects, allowing you to navigate and select the file you're currently working on or wish to modify. Once you're inside your project, the next step is crucial for managing layouts. Locate and click on the frame you want to adjust. Frames are a vital part of structuring your designs in Figma and can house multiple elements, so it's important to ensure you're working within the correct one. Now here comes the key step. To stop auto layout snapping from affecting your object movements, you'll need to remove the auto layout feature from the frame. To do this, right click on the frame. In the context menu that appears, look for the option that says remove auto layout. Select this option and this will disable the auto layout snapping, giving you more control over how you position your objects within the frame. Keep in mind that removing the auto layout feature does more than just stop snapping. It might also affect how your elements within the frame are arranged if they have previously relied on auto layout settings for alignment and spacing. So you might need to manually adjust your elements to maintain your intended design. By following these steps, you should be able to move objects around more freely in Figma without them snapping back to predefined positions. This can be particularly helpful when you're trying to achieve a more customized or intricate layout design. And there you have it. Now you know how to ignore auto layout snapping in Figma during your design process. We hope this tutorial was clear and helpful. If you have any questions or if there's a topic you'd like us to cover next, feel free to let us know. Happy designing!